What to dry your face with after washing it. So, very simple answer. If you're lost how to dry your face, I have those little towels I buy in TJ Maxx, like $3-4, and I don't clean and dry my face with the towel that I'm using for the whole body. It's better to have those. I have it in my closet, so I just pick them up, I wash my face, and I take like that. You don't want to actually completely dry your skin. You know why? Because after whatever you apply, products is the best thing to apply when your skin is still damp. So a little bit wet, you see it like that. I'm taking like rose water spray. I love it so much. The best rose water spray, hydrating rose water spray, I swear to God. And basically this is how I dry my face, with this little tiny towel. Look at the size of my head and this towel. That's it. You don't need any fancy schmancy towels. You don't need anything. You just have special, like it's not even special, this small tiny towel that you usually, this is towel that for makeup remover, right? Never rub your towel or whatever cleansing cloth that you have in your face. You can have a special cloth. I have it, but basically because you're not rubbing, you're not moving too much, just like dab, 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 and you don't want to completely rub it. You don't want your face completely be dry. You want to have your face a little bit damp after you wash your face, and then you can apply all the serums, moisturizers, essences, boosters, or whatever. They soak in much deeper and much better on the damp skin. Leave me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I see you in my next video. Bye.